In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add money on Revolut. So to start with, you first want to have the app open like I have here, and you just want to be on the home page. When you're on the home page, you should be able to see your balance in around the middle of the screen, and just underneath there, it will say add money. So we want to go ahead and click on that. And here it will ask us how we want to add money. So it does actually give us a few different options, which is nice. So the first one is an easy bank transfer. So this is quick and secure, and you don't have to enter any bank details. So the second way is actually your salary. So you can get paid into Revolut, and you can enjoy next level control of your money. So the next option is paying via card. If you've already got a card set up, this will be the easiest option. All you want to do is choose which card you want to pay from, and then it will ask how much you want to add, and then you simply choose how much you want to add, and then from there it will be added into your account. Now there's also a couple more options down here. You can also transfer the money. So for this one, it will show you your bank details for Revolut, and from there you'll have to manually type them in your bank and then send the money over. And then from there, when it detects that the money has been sent, it will automatically add it to your Revolut balance. And the final option is Apple Pay. So if you have Apple Pay set up, you can simply choose that, choose how much you want to actually buy, and then from there put in your passcode to confirm it is actually you. And then from there, the money will instantly be added into your Revolut account. So for most people, paying with Apple Pay or your card will be the easiest option. So I do recommend either of those. And after you've done that, you will have successfully added money into your Revolut account, and you can do whatever you want to do with it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully did manage to add money to your Revolut account. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.